it's Maya coming to you with another video, and happy Tea Tuesday, everyone. I am having actually a cup of Baron Hall coffee. I'm going to put the link below to the last video that I did reviewing this coffee. So now I'm having my coffee with some condensed milk, of course, and just the regular stuff. Baron Hall coffee. I'll put the link below. In today's Tea Tuesday, I want you to plan with me. You remember my planner, my friends, my to-do planner from a couple of the videos that I've done. I'm going to put a link below to those videos as well. So I still have this, my thrift shop planner. It works well for me, and this is what I use for my daily planning, right? So I'm going to find a page. I also have my gel pens, and I got these from the dollar store, Dollarama, $4 for these. Very nice. I like using them. I really like using them. So my friends, for Tea Tuesday, let's do some daily planning. Okay, so let's try something different. Maybe a purple. Let's try a purple. Yeah, there's some stuff that I want to do. The gardening season is upon us now, my friends, so I need to do some planning around gardening. So some videos are coming up about that as well. Okay, so I'm going to use a purple, and I don't have my glasses, but that's okay. We'll have to ride it out. I need to take another sip of my coffee since it's Tea Tuesday. So delicious, this Baron Hall coffee. This is Blue Mountain coffee, straight out of Jamaica. So on this Tea Tuesday, I'm going to be doing some planning for actually Saturday morning. So it's not for this morning, but I need to come up with a plan because there's so much things to do come Saturday. I don't even know what date we're on today. Oh yeah, so today is Friday, the 13th, right? So my planning is for tomorrow. So I'm going to put Saturday, and it's going to be May 1-4. Okay. Okay, and as I said, my friends, I do my planning in blocks, my day in blocks when I'm doing daily plan. I'm gonna put maybe 6 to 12. Yeah, 6 to 12 p.m. So these are the stuff that I need to do between that. Okay. So the first thing that I want to do is, so I have to go to the chiropractor tomorrow. I'm gonna put chiropractor. I have a chiropractic appointment tomorrow. And then as a part of my self-care, I'm starting, as I told you guys in the last couple of videos back, that Tea Tuesday, that I am, you know, kind of, that I'm trying to look after myself. And doing so, and as a part of my health, I started to see a chiropractor, and honestly, it's been so helpful. So now I'm seeing a therapist and I'm seeing a chiropractor. So I'm on my way to, you know what I mean, sort of dealing with whatever issues. Since I've been seeing the chiropractor, it's been changing, you know, my life a bit. I'm not so much in pain anymore. So, you know, consider that, guys, if you have the insurance to do it. Right. Gas is expensive, so again, it's gone down a little bit, but I have to go and get some gas because I'm going on a run, and this gas is at Costco. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the Costco run about 6 o'clock because I like to be there early, get my gas, be out of there. And then the chiropractor appointment is at 8 o'clock, so it gives me enough time to kind of shimmy in, shimmy out. And I'm also going to be going to the garden center, so you guys get to see that. And I think I'm going to do it vlog style this year, so I'm going to be going at the garden center. I don't know, and this all has to be done between 6 and 12 p.m. Now I don't know if I'm going to be going to Walmart to do this. I haven't decided yet, but it is not a lot of gardening I'm doing this year. I'll do another video and kind of explain that a little bit. So you see me going to the garden center. So we'll do the garden center, and then of course the chiropractic appointment that I have. We'll go do that as well, and then I'm going into another city just for a drive out. So I might end up taking you guys. I'm not quite sure. So I'm going to say road trip. Yeah, road trip. I'm going on that road trip only because my daughter needs to be in that city sometime next week, and I thought let me just go on Saturday just to kind of familiarize myself with the city so that when it's time to go, you know, I'm not in any guessing games which direction to go and stuff like that. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So basically, yeah, that's all I'm going to be doing on Saturday, 6 to 12. Now, all of this needs to be done before 12 p.m. I don't care by the hook or by the crook, it needs to be done, right? And I mean, I believe in God. God has a plan, and the plan could be derailed, and that's a part of life as well, right? So let's carry on, and then maybe between 1 and 5 p.m. I need to cook some soup. I haven't, I haven't cooked in a long time, like really cook some hearty, you know, meals. Should I be saying that? Because as you guys know, I started to do HelloFresh and it's working out. But I'm sort of tired of not having, like even though their food is good, it's not hearty, you know what I mean? Like I feel like I need some heavy, heavy food, some, Jamaican food or something. So I'm gonna cook. I'm going to be doing some planting, and of course I'm planting in container today. So whatever I buy at the garden center, I'm gonna be doing some planting, and I'm gonna put backyard care and backyard care. And then I'm going to be doing some cooking, and I'm going to cook some soup. So that should take up from 1 to 5 p.m. Just my planting, the backyard care, and then the soup. Nothing else. It's beautiful outside. That's all my planning that I'm going to do. I'm not going to overwhelm myself because I like to just relax on Saturdays and watch my shows on Netflix because honestly, I've embraced this taking ease and I love it. And yeah, so I try to relax. So this is it. That's it, my friends. Oh, take another sip of my Tea Tuesday coffee. Delicious coffee. This is my plan for Saturday. And that's all, folks. Thank you for watching, my friends. Happy Tea Tuesday to all of you. And go ahead and say it. This is my time and I deserve something better. Thank you for planning with me.